Hello guys, this is Abdul here with Abdul Tech Nation, and today I'm gonna be reviewing the Fifine T669 microphone with the boom arm and stuff. And I'm gonna be taking out everything. This is unboxing and a review. Here's the manual, and then here is the pop filter to help with the pop and stuff. Pretty good, pretty durable, I'd say. Let's take that cover off, and yeah, here's a tripod. The tripod is pretty dope, but I'm gonna be using the boom arm. You can use the tripod if you want. There's a cheaper version that comes with the tripod only, like 35 bucks, so yeah, you could buy that. And here's is extra backup for in case if your thing snaps again and stuff like that. And here is the shock mount, which is pretty cool, pretty nice. And here is the windscreen cap that goes over the mic, and here is the USB cable 2.5, and that cable is pretty good. And here we got the mount for the table, and then here we got the boom arm itself, which is pretty good. That's all you get in the pack. Oh, you know, you also got the mic. I almost forgot. Yeah, you got the mic, which is pretty sick, pretty dope. It's kind of smaller than I thought it was, but should be good. Now I'm gonna be putting it together, and yeah, let's just put the table mount on. After that, the boom arm goes in. Pretty simple, pretty easy. There's instructions on the manual, but you could probably do it yourself without the instructions. Yeah, just make sure you remove that piece from the mic to put it on the boom arm. But if you're going for the tripod, you don't need to remove that. Once you remove it, put the mic in the shock mount. I did it reversed in here, but I fixed it later. Make sure the mic goes on the flat part, not inwards, and then unscrew it from the bottom like that. And yeah, and then make sure you put the shock mount on the boom arm, and then adjust it to however you like. You could adjust it depending on like how far away you want it from yourself, how close and stuff. Pretty cool, I'd say. Not bad. And here's the cable. The cable is pretty sick, like it's thick and everything. Pretty good. It's a good quality, and I like that you can remove it. So like if the cable gets messed up, you don't have to buy a whole boom arm. So but the cheaper version comes with a cable attached to the microphone, which I don't like. But hey, for 30 bucks, the cheaper one is not too bad too. And here is the pop filter. Pretty easy to assemble. This is a pretty easy mic to assemble, which is good, because you don't want anything that gives you headaches and stuff. And here is the mic assembled and ready to go. And now I'm gonna be doing tests. This is the microphone, and it's with the pop filter. Doesn't need that much test because I was using this mic to record the whole video. It sounds pretty good. And yeah, I'm gonna show you what the $35 one looks like. This is what it looks like. Links to these will be in the description down below. If y'all like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and that'll be it for this video. If you want links, they're in the description down below, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.